So continue. So we are still on the topic of Tefillin. We're in Siman number 10. And Sif is 24. Okay. So it says a minor who knows how to properly observe the condition of the Tefillin, there is do not pass gas while wearing them, and not to fall asleep while wearing them. His father is obligated to buy tefillin for him, so he may put them on. Now, however, the custom has become widespread that minor begins to put tefillin 2 or 3 months before he becomes 13 years of old and not earlier. So in olden day age, I guess they did early, but today we only from 13 years old. A few months before, like you start training, but that's it. So commentaries say, we assume that before this time, he is not mature enough to observe the above mentioned condition of wearing tefillin. Okay, okay. Nowadays, there are very custom that observe regarding the same time, regarding the time that minor begins to wear tefillin. Some put them on 3 months before they become bar mitzvah. Some 1 month before, and others only one on a day a boy actually turns 13. Each person should follow his custom. So it's very interesting. But the way I understand, so 1 day is not going to be enough to train him to put properly. So, like if a month or I don't know 1 week, it's not a rocket science to put it feeling, but at least you have to get used to. I would say 1 month and or I don't know 1 week, 2 weeks should be enough to accustom him. Okay.